it going? Hope everybody is well. Today's video is a new unboxing. This was given to me by my mum. She had a Groupon deal. She bought me a Groupon deal, and the box is called This Is Powder. And I'm on their website and I cannot for the life of me work out how much this is a month. I think she paid £39 and then £14 postage, but that does 6 months. So I'm going to get this box for the next 6 months on that offer. But on the website I'm just looking and it's got a detox edition, which is £50, and it's 13 treats, worth 155, but you pay 50. And then there's another one, which is a NARS one, which is on sale for £30, 7 luxury size NARS products. And then there's another one that is a 8 beauty must have, 5 full size, including brands like Smashbox and Glamgo. Was 50, now 30, worth 150. So I don't really know. I'll link it all down below because I'm sure I'll be able to find it at some point. But I thought I would just quickly tell you some of the brands that they've got listed, who's involved. Smashbox, Nails Inc, Neal's Yard, Schwarzkopf, GHD, Saint-Tropez, Glamglow, LMS, Bare Minerals, Chloe, Technic, Marc Jacobs, Burt's Bees, Sleek, Ciate London, Rodial, Lacoste and Ren Clean Skincare. So I'm super excited to try it. I've just removed my address so you guys didn't accidentally see that. And I'm just gonna get into it, to be honest. So yeah, see, this just comes up and says £39 and then £14. So for this 6 months in total, it's cost my mum £53 for me to have this. So this is the box. It looks quite similar to a glossy box in the colour, but it's really pretty. So I'm gonna get it out, get rid of that. Oh, but it's like a Birchbox, it's a drawer. So it's really pretty. This is like raised. I really like it. This is definitely a keeper box. So I'll undo it and show you guys. I'm being really careful because it said fragile on the top. Oh, so you can't see anything anyway. You can't see anything. It's just like this. So I'm going to take this out and I won't look. And I'm going to try and get the whole drawer out so we don't. Okay. It feels really nice and sturdy. And we just got some wormies. And then this is the box. So I'm just going to grab things as I see them. So first off is a Face Ink by Nails Inc London. And this is an anti-aging sheet mask. I love a sheet mask. I haven't used this one before. Let me just have a little look. Let's find it. So we've got Face Ink by Nails Inc, blah blah blah. It doesn't tell you how much it is. I will link everything down below, or I'll put it on the screen how much it costs. It's high time someone combined our love of emojis, sheet masks and selfies. Also it's a little winky face. It's a cracking sheet mask packed with collagen, multivitamins, hyaluronic acid and ceramide to give you an instant lift. And it's got lashes and lipstick on it. So yeah, after 15 minutes remove the mask and rub the remaining serum into your skin. So yes, I'm super excited to try that. Next up, oh wow, this is the Bic Soleil razors. These are my favourite razors. That's really random. Normally in beauty boxes you just get one, but there is 4 in here. So yeah, that is awesome. I love these razors. I can't recommend them enough. They are my favourites. So yes. What's next? Oh, we've got a Mercy Handy New Wave hand sanitizer. I love these. I've got these in every single handbag that I own because I'm a little bit like, oh, I don't want the girls to get poorly by germ. Oh my god, I want to eat that. Oh, that smells amazing. What is that? Oh, that smells lovely. It is New Wave. It's fruitier and it's got blueberry muffin. That's why I want to eat it. It says don't eat it. So that's really nice. If you haven't used these before, I think these retail for about £3 each. And they're brilliant. They're really, really good hand sanitizers. I've got one that's like vanilla-y and that's just, oh, it's incredible. It's lush. What are you? Oh my goodness, it's a Rodial Glamour Lash. I've got one of these. I've just put it in my empty straw. This is I'm going to take it out of its packet because this is one of my favourite mascaras. This was made for me, this box. Thanks, Mama. So it's a Rodial. It's the Glamour Lash XXL. And this is such a lovely mascara. It is awesome. It's a really nice wand. Everything about it is just lovely. So I'm super excited to have another one of those, because I was very sad when I realised that mine had dried up the other day because I've had it for so long. So yes. What are you? This is the In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturiser and Primer for the brand This Works. I don't like this personally, but I know loads of people that do like this. So don't just ignore me, because it's just, I'm literally the only person I know that doesn't like this. But I will put this in a future giveaway, so, or I might, I don't know, I'll probably put it in a giveaway, I imagine. But yeah, super excited for that, for somebody to have. What's up next? Oh, it's a Ciate. It's a Wonderland Gel Kohl Liner. What's this? Whilst liquid liners are excellent for feline flicks and graphic lines, nothing beats a kohl pencil for nailing a smoky eye. This Ciate liner is heavily pigmented and comes with a really useful angled brush, which means that you can get really close and smoky. Ooh, I'm trying to remove it from its plastic prism. It does not want to come out. So this is so good. I'm so happy so far. I can't actually believe it. Get out. Oh, I've lost the lid. The lid is, oh, the lid's free. Okay, so one end, oh, that's a really soft, I'm literally like barely pressing, and that is so soft. I like that, I like that. And then the other end, oh yeah, it's like a really small, oh, it does smudge it out nicely. Look. Yes. I'm excited to use that. This is just a sample size, but it's awesome. And then finally, ooh, it's a Nip and Fab. I love them. This is a glycolic fix serum. This is, I think this is just a sample size. This is, how big are you? 15 mil. So I think the full size is probably 30 mil or 50 mil. But this is a really nice size sample, and it says, you can buy the right products for your skin type, apply them in the correct order, and still your complexion can look dull. This super serum gets rid of any trace of large pores, it nibbles away at dead skin and that might have built up, and boosts blood flow to encourage a mighty glow from within. Use before bed and be sure to use an high SPF the next day. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So gently massage under clean skin and allow to absorb. I'm going to start using this tonight, because my skin at the moment is absolutely fucked, basically. I've got spots down here, I've got a spot here, I've got little dry patches. I don't know whether it's because I've changed my diet and stopped eating so much shit that everything is just like trying to get out of my body, but my skin is just horrible at the moment. So I'm excited to try this. And that was the last item, so yeah, I'm super happy about that. And then there's some discounts. 20% off Mercy Handy, 25% off Ciate. I know these are old. This must be an old box, because these are like all ran out of date last year, 2017, so they're not right. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. So yeah, see, this is August 2017. I didn't realise. That's weird. I'm going to contact them and see if they meant to send me this one, because that's very strange why I would get this one from August. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's a really good box. I will try and find out some prices for you and either put them on the screen or put them down below for you. But yeah, I really like it. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.